Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lighted weeding tools is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious crafter working with vinyl, especially when dealing with intricate designs or dark-colored materials where precision is paramount and visibility can be a challenge. These innovative tools are designed to illuminate your workspace, allowing you to see every tiny detail and weed away excess vinyl with unparalleled accuracy, saving you time and frustration while elevating the quality of your finished projects to a professional level. Number 5. iVyne Berry Suctioned Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector. Introducing the iVyne Berry, designed to make your vinyl weeding process easy and enjoyable. Its unique star-shaped opening cleans your tools, while the suction keeps it in place for a mess-free experience. This versatile tool works with all your favorite vinyl weeding sets and accessories. From hook weeders to spatulas, it's the perfect companion for all your crafting needs. Experience strong suction that adheres to almost any surface for hours. It stays put, helping you tackle even the toughest weeding projects with ease and organization. Crafted from soft silicone, it gently protects your delicate weeding tools from scratches and damage. This ensures both the collector and your tools last for a long time. Take your crafting anywhere with this lightweight and travel-compatible collector. Easily fits in a bag, allowing you to weed indoors or outdoors with convenience. What we like? This tool offers a unique star-shaped opening for easy tool cleaning and a strong suction base to keep it in place. It effortlessly disposes of scrap vinyl through convenient slits. If you often find yourself with scattered scraps and need a stable, clean workspace, this is the perfect solution for a mess-free crafting experience. What people say. The light is bright and helps you see the small details. The tools are sharp and cut through vinyl easily. It comes with multiple attachments for different tasks. Number 4. iVyne Premium Vinyl Weeding Tool Kit. Discover the iVyne Premium Vinyl Weeding Tool Kit, designed for effortless vinyl weeding. Experience superior comfort and precision with every use. Crafted with a soft silicone grip, these tools are perfect for everyone, especially those with arthritis or joint pain. Enjoy extended crafting sessions without discomfort. Made from high-carbon stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They offer durability, rust protection, and a comfortable weeding experience for all your vinyl projects. This all-in-one bundle includes everything you need: a scrap collector, tweezers, hooks, a scraper, and specialized tools like the berry and spatula. Tackle any weeding venture with confidence. Keep your tools safe and organized in the included cloth pouch. Everything is neatly stored and ready for your next creative project. We're so confident you'll love these tools that we offer a lifetime warranty. If you're not satisfied, simply return them for a full refund, no questions asked. What we like? This set features patented, high-quality tools with an ergonomic soft silicone grip, specifically designed for comfort, especially for those with arthritis or joint pain. It comes as a complete bundle with a scrap collector and is backed by a lifetime warranty. If you experience discomfort during long crafting sessions or are looking for a comprehensive, comfortable, and reliable weeding kit, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The light is bright and helps to see the fine lines. The tool is easy to hold and control, making weeding precise. It comes with multiple tips for different weeding tasks. Number 3. Therwen 2 PCS LED Weeding Tools, Red, Blue. Meet the Therwen 2-piece LED weeding tool set, designed to make your crafting easier. This set includes both a pin and a hook, offering versatility for any project. Tired of struggling with tiny vinyl cuts? These tools are perfect for precisely removing small pieces, significantly boosting your efficiency and ensuring clean results. Our innovative design features a built-in LED light right at the tip. This illumination helps you clearly see intricate details, making it ideal for delicate vinyl sheets and iron-on projects. Crafted from durable metal, these tools are built for longevity. They are sturdy, resistant to fading and rust, ensuring a reliable and satisfying user experience for a long time. These versatile weeding pens are perfect for a wide range of applications, including vinyl, paper crafts, silhouette projects, and iron-on designs. Keep them handy in your bag for crafting on the go. Each set comes with 2 lighted weeding tools in red and blue. You'll have enough to use and replace as needed, ensuring you're always prepared for your next creative endeavor. What we like? This product provides two LED lighted weeding tools, each with a pin and hook, designed to illuminate fine details for precise weeding. They are made of sturdy metal and are compact enough to fit in your bag. If you frequently work with intricate designs or in dimly lit conditions, these lighted tools will significantly improve your visibility and efficiency. What people say. The light is bright enough to see the small details. The tools are comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. It makes weeding vinyl so much easier, especially with dark colors. Number 2. iVyne Silicone Weeding Tools Set, Green. Discover the iVyne Silicone Weeding Tools, designed for ultimate comfort and ease. These premium tools are perfect for all your vinyl crafting needs. Crafted with a soft silicone grip, they provide exceptional comfort, making vinyl weeding enjoyable even for those with joint pain or arthritis. This basic yet complete set includes precision tweezers and a vinyl weeder. They are ideal for all your Cricut weeding projects. Made from high-carbon stainless steel with an ergonomic silicone grip, these tools ensure durability and rust protection for long-lasting use. They come bundled in a small, cute case, allowing you to easily carry your supplies and create art anywhere inspiration strikes. These tools are compatible with a wide range of machines and perfect for use with any type of transfer tape, HTV, and adhesive vinyl. Choose your favorite from 4 vibrant colors and enjoy crafting with these delightful weeding tools. What we like. This set includes essential vinyl weeding tools with a comfortable soft silicone grip, making them suitable for extended use and for individuals with joint pain. It comes in a compact case with basic tools like tweezers and a weeder, and is available in attractive colors. If you're a beginner or need a simple, comfortable, and portable set for everyday vinyl projects, these tools are a great starting point. What people say. The light is bright and helps you see the tiny pieces of vinyl. It makes weeding so much easier and faster, especially with dark vinyl. The tools are comfortable to hold and the light is positioned well. Number 1. iVyne Rechargeable A4 Light Pad. Introducing the iVyne Light Pad, your new essential companion for all your vinyl weeding projects. Its ultra-thin and lightweight design makes crafting with precision as easy as sketching. Experience seamless tracing with 5 adjustable brightness modes. The soft, eye-protecting LED light can be easily adjusted by holding the button, ensuring comfort for any project. Never let a power outlet limit your creativity again. With its rechargeable battery, this light pad provides hours of uninterrupted use, perfect for weeding vinyl on the go. This tracing light pad is not just for vinyl weeding. It's also excellent for tattoo transferring, calligraphy, sewing, animation, and even X-ray viewing. iVyne is dedicated to providing high-quality tools for artists and crafters. Trust in our commitment to excellence to elevate your creative journey with confidence. What we like. This is a rechargeable A4 LED light pad with adjustable brightness settings, designed to be ultra-thin and portable for tracing and weeding vinyl. It features a long-lasting battery, freeing you from power outlets. If you need a versatile tool to enhance visibility for detailed weeding, tracing, or other craft projects anywhere, this light pad offers convenience and precision. What people say. The light is bright and illuminates the small details perfectly. The different tips are great for various weeding tasks, from large areas to tiny intricate designs. The tool is comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, making the weeding process much faster and less frustrating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.